In this video, we're going to look at how we can manage NetAlly testers that we've claimed to our Link Live organization. I'll cover the following topics: changing a unit's name, setting notifications, unclaiming a unit, remote controlling a unit, Ally Care, and storing the results in Link Live. Clicking on the Units icon on the left displays all of the units that have been claimed to the selected organization. From here, we can see the following: the date and time the unit was last seen, the last known IP address of the unit, whether the unit is covered by Ally Care support, the ending date for Ally Care support, if updates are available, and other unit-related information. Filtering on units. When working with many units, filters can be a useful way to find the one you're looking for. There are several methods available for filtering on units. Let's look at them. Search dropdown. This dropdown is automatically populated with the following: unit names, notification emails, unit MAC addresses, serial numbers, firmware versions, application versions, and IP addresses. By clicking on any of these, any unit matching the criteria will be displayed. Unit type. At the top of the screen, there are icons for each of the unit types. These include Link Sprinter, Link Runner AT, Link Runner G2, AirCheck G2, OneTouch AT, Test Accessory, Etherscope NXG, and the Link Runner 10G. Sometimes we need to change the name of a unit. This can be accomplished by first clicking on the unit, then clicking on the name of the unit. From here, the name can be changed. The description can be changed by clicking on the description text. Adding a label. We'll dig deeper into labels in other videos. They're a great way to organize information within Link Live. We can add one or more labels to a unit. These labels can be added temporarily or permanently, depending on the project. Notifications. Let's look at how we can configure notifications for a unit. These icons set the types of events that will result in a notification. The possibilities are: no notifications for this unit, notify on errors only, notify on warnings and errors, notify on all results. Notification emails. The contents of the notification email will vary from tester to tester and test to test. Here's an example of a notification email for the AirCheck G2. We can see the test that was run, the tester that ran the test, and the results for the test. Responding to the email allows you to add a label to the test result. The result can even be moved to a folder by adding a / in front of the folder name. Here we can see information about the selected unit. The following is displayed: the MAC address of the unit, serial number, unit type, unit firmware, and the last seen information. Unclaiming units. If you want to move a unit from one organization to another, you'll need to unclaim the unit first. This is accomplished by clicking on the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Unclaiming a unit will not delete the results that have been saved within the Link Live organization. Unclaiming a unit will delete any results that have been queued up on the unit and have not yet been uploaded to Link Live. Remote controlling the unit. Some units may be remote controlled through Link Live. These include the Etherscope NXG and the Link Runner 10G. Remote control is only available for those units that are under Ally Care support. If remote control is enabled, a remote control icon will be shown next to the unit. If the unit is connected to a network connection that has internet access and is under current Ally Care support, the remote control icon will turn green. Clicking on the remote control icon in the upper right corner of the screen will start an encrypted remote control session and display the unit on the screen. You may now use your web browser to view and control the unit. This is a great way to invite someone from outside your organization to view the unit display for remote troubleshooting. Ally Care support. I've mentioned this a few times. If the unit is currently under support, the support icon will turn green. The support contract end date will be displayed in the upper right corner of the screen. Storing results in Link Live. There may be times when you don't want or need to save the results in Link Live for a specific unit. This may be controlled by using the switch within the unit settings. If you turn this off, the results from the tester will not be saved, even though the tester will say Link Live upload successful. You'll be able to track the last time the tester was seen, as well as the last known IP address. In summary, once a tester has been claimed, you can manage the following: name, description, notifications, remote control, and saving results. Be sure to check out our other videos on getting the most out of Link Live.